Hello, good afternoon all. Last time I discussed करथुले about utility functions, different type of utility functions. और टे गैप हो गला because I was sick, right? आज भी मो देह भल नहीं, but still मु आज छोटो हेले भी गोटे छोटो वीडियो भी करबी. आ बेसी लंबा वीडियो भी WhatsApp रे जाउनी. तेणु आम आज आरंभ करबा नेक्स्ट टॉपिक यूटिलिटी मैक्सिमाइजेशन एंड चॉइस. Utility maximization and choice. Now students, जानी रख ए वर्ष लॉकडाउन पाई कोरोना पाई तुम सिलेबस निश्चित भाव में 30% कमिब. जहाँ तुम कोर्सेस ऑफ स्टडी अच्छी तादू 25 ରୁ 30% से निश्चय कमेबे. तेणु तुम इजी हम यहाँ. ओके, तेणु आम सबू कनसेप्ट को रु किछि किछि छाड़ी परिबा. तथे मुझे छाड़ूनी पढ़ाऊँगी बट देखा तापर कौन हो. सो यूटिलिटी मैक्सिमाइजेशन एंड चॉइस. वी हैव रेड यूटिलिटी फंक्शन. वी हैव रेड that every consumer always goes for a bundle of goods he always wants. So a consumer always wants to maximize his satisfaction. His only objective, his sole objective is to how to get optimum satisfaction, optimum utility from his limited resources. So utility maximization is the ultimate objective of every consumer. Right? Now, it is not that you want optimum utilization, optimum utility function, you optimum utility, but you have limited resources. So to optimize your utility, you have one constraint, and that constraint is the budget. We all know that we have a budget, we have income, and in our terms we call it as a budget line or a price line or a income line or a equal consumption line, whatever you say. So that budget line or budget constraint carries maximum importance because your utility rests on that. It depends on how much money, how much budget is permitted to you. Now budget constraint means limitations. Now every consumer has limited budget. It's not that somebody has unlimited budget to have maximum utility. No, everybody's budget is limited. It may be 100 rupees, it may be 100 crore rupees, but it's limited to his satisfaction. So because of budget constraint, you cannot reach that extent which your budget doesn't allow you to go. Therefore, within the budget constraint, the consumer has to maximize his utility. And how? Let us discuss it with a table here. You see, suppose the consumer has 40 rupees with him to spend. He has to consume two goods, X and Y. Let's also assume that good X costs 10 rupees, good Y costs 5 rupees. And we know that we have a budget constraint of 40 rupees. We cannot go beyond that. 40 rupees बाहर को हमें जाई परिवानी. तेणु 40 rupees भितर हमें कौन करिया? How will be our budget line? How can we fix our budget line? Let us see. Suppose we have 5 combinations A, B, C, D, E. Income in all 5 cases is 40 rupees. Good X price is 10 rupees, I have shown here. Good Y 5 rupees, I have shown here. So in combination A, he can consume 0x and 8y. B combination re 1x 6y, 2x 4y, 3x 2y, 4x and 0y. This shows to get one more extra unit of x, he has to give up leave some amount of Y, because he has budget constraint, he cannot go beyond that. If you want to increase one commodity, you have to decrease another. X ରୁ ବେଶୀ ନେବା ପାଇଁ ହେଲେ ଆମକୁ Y କୁ ଛାଡ଼ିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ ନା, ତେଣୁ ଆମକୁ କେଉଁଟା ଇଏ କରିପାରିବାନି ଆମେ, ତେଣୁ କ'ଣ ସେ କରିବା? ଲେଟ୍ ଅସ୍ ସେ ଆମର ଏଠି 5ଟା ପଏଣ୍ଟକୁ ନେଇଛି ଦେଖ, ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ୍ ବଜେଟ୍ ଲାଇନ୍, ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ୍ ହିଜ୍ ବଜେଟ୍ ଲାଇନ୍। A, B, C, D, E, 5 combinations. All 5 combinations rest on the budget line, means all 5 combinations are reachable, are attainable for the consumer. The consumer can attain A, B, C, D, E, any one of them. Now, if you want to consume at point A, then his total income, his total budget goes for consumption of Y, that we call as Y intercept. This is called Y intercept, means his total budget is spent for Y. In case of here Y intercept is equal to M by Py, means total money income by price of Y. Money income is 40, price of Y is 10, so that comes to 4, only 4 units. देखो ये sorry, Y is 5, price of Y is 5, so it comes to 8. He only consumes 8 units. Now if he wants only good X to consume, then at point E we call it as X intercept. X intercept means total money income to be spent on good X. If that is the case, then what is X intercept? The M by Px is equal to M is 40, price of X is 10, so that comes to 4 units. You see here 4 units. In combination E, he consumes 4 units of X. So therefore, in all other combinations B, C, D, he consumes different combinations of good X and good Y. So in this case, the budget line, what we show here, it has a slope. So how can you find out the slope of the budget line? The change in consumption of Y by change in consumption of X. How much you change in consumption of Y, how much you change in the consumption of X. That is change from A to O. Y रे जहाँ change होगा, तो कौन होगा A to O by change in O to E. O to E, this one X. That is M by Px by M by Py. M by Px means money income by price of X by money income by price of Y. That is Px by Py. Px by Py. So the budget line here, the slope is equal to Px by Py. So this by Px by Py, we can find out the slope of the price line. This is also the marginal rate of substitution, because here you see the budget line is a straight line, straight one, where from all these points the consumer get total equal amount of utility. Though combinations are different, but the total utility will be equal. So the budget line is straight, linear. This shows that the MRS XY is also constant. That is, it depends upon price of good X by price of good Y. Okay, so this is the first meaning of utility maximization and choice. So the consumer chooses which amount of X and which amount of Y he has to consume, keeping his money income constant. So money income, because it is constant, so he has to choose. He has to choose between all these 5 combinations. So what will be, is beneficial, is suitable for him, he has to choose. ओके, दिस इज द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ यूटिलिटी मैक्सिमाइजेशन एंड चॉइस। नेक्स्ट टाइम आसिले तो तुमको आउ आगू जीवी। ओके, थैंक यू।